Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to work a slip knot. I am using a size 4 medium worsted weight yarn. And the first thing you want to do to make a slip knot is to make a loop. And I just wrap around these two fingers and it forms a loop just like that. And then you want to put in the loose ended yarn in through that hole that you just created, and then you just pull it tight, and that is all there is to it. Then you have a slip knot. You can put your hook in. In this case I'm working with crochet, so then you just pull this end to tighten it, and then you have your slip knot, which can be tightened or loosened just by pulling one of these strands. And that is all there is to it. I will do that again. So you create, you've got your strand there, create a loop. I just wrap around these two fingers, and this end crosses over the other end, and you pull that through the loop you just made, and then you pull on the longer strand to tighten that loop, and then you have this strand, I would say a couple inches, and you can put your hook in there and pull that the end that ends if that makes any sense. Okay, and that is all there is to it. Maybe one more time on that. Make a loop around your your middle finger and your pointer finger. I use my left hand. And then you just bring this yarn through and you tighten that strand. Now see, I got a much shorter strand there. I can just pull that and then it becomes longer. Oops. If you pull it out, then you get a knot. So we don't want to do that. Okay. So do that again. Wrap it. Tuck that under. And we have it. And that is how you make a slip knot. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.